Good day, everyone. Today, we will talk about a simple but meaningful quote. It says, life is like a game of chess. You cannot undo the moves, but you can make the next move better. The same in our life. In our life, we make a choices, good or bad. We make a decision. We make a mistake. Or sometimes, we wish we could go back in the past and change that mistake we made. But this quote remind us something important. Even if you cannot change the past, you can still always choose what to do next. We may have done wrong yesterday, but today we can do better. We may have failed before, but we can always stand up again and make a wiser move. In chess, a bad move doesn't mean the game is over. A good player will think, learn, and find a better way. In life, we can do the same. We can learn on what happened before and use that lesson to guide us in our next step. So, do not stay stuck thinking about your old mistake. Do not let regret stop you from moving forward. Instead, focus on the next move you can make. Focus on what you can improve and what you can do right now. Every day give us a new chance, a new move, a new way to grow. Remember, you can change the past, but you can always choose what you can do next. Thank you.